In the heart of Europe lies a meadow with a peculiar curse. This meadow, known as the Cursed Meadow, is a natural wonder where nothing grows. Scientists discovered that the soil contains a rare mineral that absorbs all nutrients, leaving the land barren. Surprisingly, this mineral is also found in meteorites. This bizarre connection between space rocks and earthly soil makes the meadow a unique scientific curiosity. The meadow's eerie beauty and its cosmic link draw curious visitors from around the world. Like, comment, and subscribe to uncover more intriguing stories like this.